Forgotten username recovery failed on First Republic Bank fix. If your First Republic Bank username recovery keeps failing, don't worry, you're not locked out forever. Most people make one small error during recovery that prevents the system from verifying their identity. Let's walk through the correct process step by step. Start by visiting the First Republic Bank login page and selecting Forgot Username. You'll be asked for identifying information such as your email address, account number, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure every field matches what's registered on your account exactly. Even an outdated phone number or nickname can cause the system to reject your request. If you don't receive a recovery email, check your spam or junk folder for a message from First Republic Online Banking. Still nothing? Wait about 10 minutes before retrying. The security system sometimes delays recovery messages to verify unusual login attempts. If you've recently changed your email address, the system may not recognize you. In that case, call First Republic's 24-hour banking support at 1-800-8408-288. A representative can confirm your identity and help you recover or reset your username manually. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. First Republic's online system is designed with strict fraud prevention. Even a minor mismatch in your personal details can trigger a failed recovery to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you're back in, take a minute to update all your contact details and security preferences. This ensures you'll have a smooth recovery experience next time, without any verification hiccups. So, if your recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Just follow these steps carefully or reach out to customer support. With the right information, you'll regain access to your First Republic Bank account in no time.